Shit. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Leatherface is at the door. You can close the gate, but he did me. The car, I think the battery's still off.
He's trying to get it. Fuck! They're swarming. Is the door still open?
Yeah. Go.
Hold on.
Oh,
No stamina! No stamina! No stamina! No! No stamina! It was right there!
Die right at the exit.
It was right there!
Here, Leatherface.
Knock him out! Get out!
No! Fuck!
I can make it! Let's fucking go!
They killed the black guy!
Oh my god, he's getting killed right next to me.
I spawned next to the basement exit.
Nice.
I got a toolbox. Someone just ran past. One of y'all?
No, I'm just not getting off. I think I'm by myself though. Yep.
Yeah, I think all three of us spawned by ourselves. I'm pretty sure you spawned next to me. At least I thought that was you.
So wait, what did they do? Did they just add more rooms to this in some update? So this is possible?
I have no idea.
Because I feel like the first weekend we were only in Paris.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. No, I think it's only like the first game, no?
No, I feel like every game I played the first weekend was in Paris.
Y'all in a good spot?
I'm right behind. Are you Connie? Are you playing as Connie?
It's better though. I think people started fucking sweating this game so hard that they knew like where the fucking victims were spawning at.
Two storages open. Who's in here with me?
Ah, fuck.
No! Who just walked around?
That was me.
He just killed all of us.
Good. Let's go. He's coming.
Go up. I'm about to juke him out.
Wait, no!
No!
He's crazy. Yo, there's a chicken up
No,
here.
now I'm about to hide in this corner. Oh my god.
There's a chicken right when you get up.
Johnny, no! Coming. Oh my god, he saw me, but he can't climb. Let's go. Damn, my bad.
No, watch out, Tiger's up here.
You fucking virgin! You fucking virgin! I'm out of stamina!
Oh my god, how did he see me? He's a fucking... There's no way.
Saw you?
Yeah.
He's blocking the exit. He's blocking the fucking exit.
Oh, Sissy's up here. Don't tell me she saw me. You're such a weirdo if you saw me. Why she just...
Damn, I tried to give him the slip.
Bro, how did you see me? You're bro. Like, whatever, I'm jumping on the wall.
Yeah, it's about to be over.
Alright, we're playing with some weirdos. Donnie, I think I just landed next.
Give him the craziest juke of his life.
No,
Okay.
that's...
I died. I just got executed.
By who?
By Leatherface. I landed right on.
Damn, Sissy was right at the door. I died you.
Saved you after all.
Did you close the door?
I am sorry.
Oh, Sissy just killed. Yep. Oh, damn.
Yep. Look at her face, bro. You know what? I'm gonna go find this motherfucker. Bitch!
What did you do to my sister?
Yeah, we hit old people. Alright, gotta get that one out.
Damn.
Oh, you're getting chased.
Oh, I'm out of stamina. I just gotta make it around the corner. Please. Yeah, pussy.
Oh
He missed.
Damn God. Let's go.
No! Really?
Damn.
Watch you die. Our teammates watch you die.
Oh my god. Bro.
Oh, but look,
There's
you
no way.
set her up for the best situation possible because you stabbed Grandpa.
Take a shower, so when he comes back, I'll be all good.
Alright, tell us.
Alright, hold up, I want to see if he escapes though. Oh no, he's definitely dead. Oh yeah, no, he's for sure dead. Unless...
No way she didn't see that.
Nah, she's messing with him. She's messing with him. I
She
think
has
she's
to
messing
be.
with him.
She has to be.
She's definitely messing with him. Look, she's staring right at him. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I was about to say.
Just hurt.
What's happening? Oh. Somebody.
Shit, he's about to find me.
I'm about to open up. How big is it? The rear basement. That's what it's called. The rear basement.
This is down here looking for somebody.
He's on
bro.
me. He's on me.
Oh, he's on you. That's perfect. Then I can run. Is this the rear basement? This is the basement. Donnie, are you ready?
Yep.
Someone's down here. I thought you said it was open.
Oh, that's open right there.
I hit him with the craziest juke of his life. No, go the other way, Donnie!
Oh.
Toolbox, bro. Where's the toolbox at?
Shit.
I'm about to stab Grandpa, bro. I promise you.
Nah, I just made noise like an idiot, bro.
Woo! Hit his ass with that shit. Damn, I'm dead again.
You dead?
Yeah, I got cornered.
Yeah,
I opened the door. I opened the door to the whatever room, Donnie. The back garden is open.
Okay. Well, actually, I think I'm about to get a basement. So.
Bro, basement's so pussy though, bro. I'm escaping. I'm escaping through outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh oh, someone's down here with me. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Sounds good. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me he's right here. Don't tell me he's right here. I can hear his ass. I don't see his ass though. He outside still?
Where you at, Migo?
Right next to that chicken I just got activated. I'm getting chased. What? I don't know, but I have to hit this animation before I die. Nice, okay, I'm gonna start recovering.
Wait.
As long as I didn't get executed. Donnie, where you at? Just open the basement door, bro. I'm not gonna make it out the other way.
Yeah, I assume so.
That's crazy. Hey man, if it works, it works.
Right. I want you to watch me. I want you to watch. Oh, I want you to watch me, okay?
Died. He disconnected.
I want you to watch me. This is how pro players get out. Fuck. Okay, wait, never mind. I'm lost. Don't watch. Oh, no.
I'm right in front of the. Yeah, I want to take it. I'm right in front of the basement exit, Donnie. Is there any way you can open that?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, this isn't the
It's
basement
10,
exit. I'm
it's 10, it's
tripping.
10.
Think.
Okay.
Think. What do I do?
Get out!
Oh, if I can remember, I think it's over here. I think it's over here. Yeah, definitely. Yes.
You're gonna love this clip
Watching
later,
me, Rod?
Donnie. Yeah, I'm watching.
Watching me, Rod?
I'm gonna upload this part just for you tonight. Hit that well. Let's fucking go.
Hit the left. Go through that little hole in the wall. Hit the left. Left.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Goated.
Easy fucking game, bro. Ah, dude. Ooh. Oh my god.
Should open that door, Donnie.
Got it.
Go, 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 go. He's coming, he's coming.
No! I always alert that fucking chicken, man. Fuck that chicken. Didn't look like chicken.
Woo!
I guess I
She's on me.
can't save you after all.
No way her
Is
poison
Sissy
got
on
me. Yes.
Oh,
Her
yeah,
shit's
yeah, I heard.
cheating.
You died?
I'm about to. I just hit her with the almighty juke. Like the most almighty of almighty jukes.
If y'all come to the backfield, I'm gonna have it open here in a second. I just need. Oh, is the generator not on? Wait, the generator's not on. All right, it's open.
Where we at?
The backfield, not the gas station.
So not the gas station, literally the opposite way. It's
Yeah.
open? Like I can just run there? Sissy's right here.
4 more seconds. Yeah, it's open completely. Now, me and Julie are standing at the gate.
You're talking about the one
Rod,
where
do you see that chicken that was alerted?
Nah.
Fuck.
Escape. I wanted to sit on the edge.
Oh, I see the chicken.
You gotta run over here.
I'm about to spectate him.
No. Oh, fuck it. They're all coming over here. Roddy, where are
Shit,
you?
I'm out.
I can't leave without you. You're
I'm
out.
out. I'm
You're
getting out.
Oh
I'm
my
getting
God.
out.
He's out.
I'm out that bitch. I'm out that bitch.
Julie's out too.
I was waiting for you.
I didn't know you were waiting, bro. I took the other way around. I went through the container, like you said.
Look to your left. Look to your left. Look to your left.
That's yeah, right out. You can get. Oh, Leatherface is there.
They're turning on the battery. This is turning on the battery right now.
No, hey, you got this though. You're the goat.
Play the way to get. Yeah, play the way to get. Play the way to get. All you need to do. All you need to do is turn off the battery. That's all you need to do. Got a hitchhiker? Oh, they got a drowning assist. Well, this is exactly what happened last week. Oh no.
You got it. You're full.
My only chance.
You're full stamina. You got it. Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. There's nothing they can do to stop you.
Escape. Perfect escape.
Where's the chicken?
It's by the container. It spawned by the container. It didn't spawn over there. Don't run all over the container.
Yeah. I'm just about to slam it.
Please, God.
Oh, okay.
I gotta stand on the edge too. Damn, not even nothing. That's crazy. Look up.
Bro, I hit Sissy with the ultimate juke, bro.